Okay guys, today's video is going to be about urine in your carpet. Dog urine, cat urine, whatever the case may be. There's a couple of photos you can see. There's photos with a lot of individual spots. Those individual spots represent mostly 90% to 100% of those spots are all what I call topical spotting. In other words, it's in the top of your carpeting. It comes out with an easy cleaning. You do a little bit of spotting and you run it over with some good hot water extraction, boom, it's gone. Then you have one you deal with odors. The odor is the other one where you see the mass concentration of urine. It did not have enough time to dry, and this stuff kept seeping down to the bottom of the carpet, into your padding, into your concrete. That takes a lot more extensive work and obviously costs a lot more money. And it's not something you can just kind of quote over the phone. You got to look at it and decide what kind of work you got to do and how it's got to be done. Most urines, 99% of urine in my experience, as far as the stain is concerned, not the odor, the stain will come up as long as you haven't tried to clean it with anything more than just patting it with water. Once you start scrubbing on it with water or chemicals, once you start doing any kind of cleaning to it, and if it's not coming up and you keep agitating it, you keep beating up the chemicals, I'm probably not going to get it up either. As far as odors are concerned, yes, but odors represent a much more serious problem, as you can see by the photos, that deep down cleaning, that you can't get to the back of that. You got to get carpeting up. You got to use different methods to get all that cleaned up for you. So if you have any questions, give me a call, and we'll get you all taken care of. Thanks.